Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to talk about international driving permit in Canada and how it really helps you. So guys, if you have a Canadian driving license, okay, provincial and territorial driving license, like do you know you can drive in USA without IDP? Yes. But what is IDP? So IDP stands for International Driving Permit, and with IDP, you can drive in more than 160 countries. So if you have a Canadian driving license and you apply for IDP, once it is granted, you can drive in 160 countries. I mean more than 160 countries. You can get the list. Like as you can see here on the official link, 1949 Convention on Road Traffic. So those countries you can drive it with. So this really helps, especially if you do like European trip and all. This will help a lot because you know why it is, right? I don't need to describe the reasons. But question comes how you're going to apply. So you can apply through CAA, Canadian Automobile Association. I have membership with them to get my roadside assistance and other services, including insurance, and they even provide travel insurance. That really helps and reduce the cost. But you can apply it through it. So let's go through it. So I click on it. So first of all, in order to apply for IDP, you don't need a membership of CA, although I have. So what you need to do, you need to fill out this PDF form and return it to local CA club, or fill out the online form and return it to your local CA club. Okay. If you're a member of National Defense Armed Forces, you can use this form. Services and prices may vary depending upon your club. So we'll see that. This was South Central Ontario CA member, Quebec, like based on your location. Okay. All right. So we'll go through the form. So let's go through this online form and see what they have offered. So Canadian International Driving Permit. So here they have asked for 30 CAD plus applicable for an IDP due to privacy legislation. Okay. Well, all right. If you send by mail, then CA will telephone you to obtain credit card information so that they can get the payment. But if I have to make it, I can go to local CA location and do it. So name, given name, initial place of birth, date of birth, home address. Now this is information of your license. You can check your license and find out. Class number, list and restriction. Okay. And for everything you need to like apply accordingly. For example, if you have like car license, that doesn't mean that you will get an IDP for motorcycle or scooter. Okay. If you have before, you can apply. This is for office use only. Signature of applicant, email address, phone number. This is also for office use. So you can go and get it done, and you need a photo also. And with this, full face passport photographs and a copy of front and back of your Canadian driving license with this application. Perfect. With this you can do, and as I said, you can drive in more than 160 countries. Fee is also given plus shipping charges. So if I have to do, I'll go and do it at a CA location, but it's up to you how you wanna go. But again, guys, getting a membership of this is really good. Like I have their premium membership. I'm not a member or anybody who is professionally associated with CA. When I say member, like I'm a customer. Okay, I'm not there in their team, but yeah, their service is really good, no doubt. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.